You guys must have paid attention to the fact that NASA just announced Artemis III, as in the crew selection is complete. The primary crew has been selected. These four gentlemen will go to low Earth orbit. The mission could be up to 15 days, and the target is to test out all the critical system. What is this critical system? Well, you have to understand that America is in such an awkward position. While they do have a big ass rocket and a crew capsule that is designed for a deep space mission, as in it can go outside of Van Allen radiation belt and work safely, and they did test it. That was Artemis II. Yeah, they do not have human landing parts sorted, as in not even design is finalized. So Artemis 3 is basically a test of these two pathway, so to say. SpaceX has a pathway of forcing a second stage of a rocket to act like a third stage of a rocket, which we call Starship. And Blue Origin has far more what you call logical design. Unfortunately, their slow delivery rate has made it very difficult, and recent boom events kind of put a damper on it. However, the docking supposed to happen with both of them, because that's the easiest way to validate the system. On top of that, because Starship is only going to be a mock-up, the docking will only be a physical docking. They're just going to dock and undock, the end. But with Blue Origin, because the design is far more finalized, so to say, they're not only going to dock, but also transfer the astronaut from the Orion capsule to Blue Origin's vehicle. And they're going to operate the electronics and all that. So basically validate that can astronaut handle these puppies in 0G while wearing a very uncomfortable suit. So that's the whole testing plus. Hopefully it works now. Now, reality is the pad is not looking good. Let's just put it that way. And because of the delay, they might try to send Blue Lander on top of Falcon Heavy, simply because they need testing data now. So let's see how America tries to unsolve this mess, so to say.